Let's explore the world and have fun with Moogoopi.
Moogoopi! Hello, kids! Today we're in a kitchen, and I want to introduce you to a very special friend of mine. This is Chef Tony. Hi, Chef Tony.
Hi, Moogoopi. How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm fantastic. So today I am a special guest because I had Moogoopi and his friends over for dinner last night. Moogoopi enjoyed my dessert so much that I'm going to show him how to make it today.
Yeah, it was so delicious.
My pot au crème is so easy to make.
Yeah, how could something so good be so easy to make?
It is actually only 4 ingredients.
Let's see, what are the ingredients?
So I actually have cream, which is 350 milliliters.
Yeah.
I have 7 ounces or 200 grams of chocolate.
Ooh, I love chocolate.
I have 2 egg yolks.
Yeah.
And I also have 1 tablespoon or 15 grams of butter. Now, what we do here is we take the cream
Yeah.
and we're gonna bring it almost up to a boil.
You gotta be careful when you're using the stove. You have to do that with your mom or dad, right?
For sure, that's why I'm here with you.
Right.
So once we get this up to a boil, we're actually going to melt the chocolate. So we've got it almost boiling. I can tell there's a bunch of steam coming off and we're just about to be rippling along here.
Yeah, that looks pretty hot.
So I'm going to take the cream and pour it over top of the chocolate.
Whoa.
Already looks good, doesn't it, Moogoopi?
Looks so delicious.
So I'm going to ever so gently use the heat from the cream and melt this chocolate. What's your favorite type of chocolate, Moogoopi? Do you like milk chocolate, dark chocolate, or white chocolate?
I like milk chocolate.
Milk chocolate's very good.
Yeah, it is. How about you?
I actually really like dark chocolate.
Oh, it's kind of bitter dark chocolate, isn't it?
Yeah, every once in a while I really like white chocolate too.
Yeah, white chocolate's good too. Whoa, scrape all that chocolate goodness off that spoon.
We need it all for the dessert. So now we've got the chocolate and cream nice and uniform.
That looks nice and smooth.
Looks delicious now, doesn't it? We still got a couple more ingredients to go. So the mixture is still very warm. We want to add in the yolks ever so slightly to make sure that they actually don't cook in the heat. Oh, 1. And 2.
Mix, 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 mix.
Next step is to add in the butter. Once the butter is completely incorporated into the chocolate mixture, we can put the mixture into the cups. Looks good, Moogoopi.
Wow, look at that. Does that look delicious? I bet you all like chocolate, don't you? I can't believe it's so easy, Chef Tony.
Thank you, Moogoopi. So there you go, Moogoopi. We have 3 pot au crèmes. They are still quite warm. So what we need to do is put these into the refrigerator until we are ready to eat them. Maybe a couple hours.
Okay, I don't know if I can wait a couple hours. Oh boy. Hey, Chef Tony, do you think the dessert is ready yet? I don't think I can wait any longer.
Let me go check, Moogoopi, but maybe one more minute. Oh, Moogoopi,
Here it comes.
I think it's ready for you.
Whoa, look at that. Whoa, that is so yummalicious. I can't believe it was that easy. Thanks, Chef Tony, for showing us how to make that.
My pleasure, Moogoopi. I had so much fun making it with you.
Oh, well, kids, do you ever cook with your mom and dad? I wonder what you make. Hey, Chef Tony, what can we make next?
Moogoopi, we can make so much together. I love cooking.
Oh, that sounds so exciting. Well, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe so you can explore more food and recipes and lots of other things together. Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you next time.